Imagine a robot that can learn by watching videos, just like a human. From everyday tasks in a domestic environment to more complex ones in a factory, robots are evolving, thanks to their ability to learn from human actions in real time. How do they do it? Thanks to egocentric vision? But what is egocentric vision? Egocentric vision refers to a type of vision that is centered on the point of view of the subject performing the action, as if the robot were looking at the world through a camera mounted on itself. Videos used for robot training are often recorded from a perspective similar to that of humans, showing hands or tools while performing specific actions. Robots can learn to manipulate objects by watching videos of human hands performing actions like opening jars or preparing meals. Egocentric vision helps robots understand how to navigate domestic environments by observing how humans move and interact with objects. Are there other ways of learning? Absolutely, and they are diverse. In this video, I'll give you a brief overview of how robots learn to interact with our world. Second method, teleoperation. Teleoperation is a method of remote control of a robot, where a human operator interacts with the robot and its environment from a distance. This process occurs through an interface that allows the operator to visualize and perceive the robot's surroundings in real time using devices like joysticks, haptic gloves, screens, and cameras. Thanks to virtual reality, the operator can see from the robot's point of view and interact with the surroundings in a highly immersive way, having direct perception of the robot's actions. In some cases, haptic gloves or other tactile feedback technologies are used to provide the operator with a physical touch sensation, further improving control and precision of operations. Simulation is another method of robot training that uses virtual environments to teach robots how to perform tasks without interacting with the physical world. In practice, robots are trained in a simulated environment, which can reproduce real situations like navigating a house or interacting with objects. The advantages of simulation are numerous, from increased safety, as robots can be trained without risking physical damage to themselves or the environment, to greater efficiency, thanks to the ability to test various scenarios in reduced times. Additionally, simulation reduces cost by avoiding the need to use physical robots for every test. Another advantage is the ability to train robots in variable conditions, such as rough terrain or dangerous situations, without risks. The simulated environment also offers flexibility, allowing for quick modifications to test new strategies or behaviors. Other methods are used in conjunction with these methods, like reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a training technique in which robots learn through trial and error, receiving rewards or penalties for the actions performed. Reinforcement learning is a versatile technique that can be used in various contexts, but it is particularly effective in simulations. This is because simulations offer a safe and controlled environment where robots can learn through trial and error without risks to the real environment or the robot itself. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest news in robotics. Also, leave a comment to suggest which other topics you'd like to explore in the future. Thanks for watching.